No pump, no blowing, inflates in seconds, dry, secure storage, no slow leaks, compact, lightweight, and easy to carry. The Kwikomfi AirPads offer revolutionary innovations to replace heavy and slow-filling airbeds and bulky foam mats and mattresses. No pump, no blowing, extremely quick to inflate or deflate, the Kwikomfi swim ring is easy to carry. It also offers waterproof storage you take with you. There's no need to walk far to find secure storage for your phone, wallet, or clothes. They won't be lost or stolen as they're always with you. Kwikomfi swim ring is the only handy swim ring that offers dry, secure storage while you swim. Kwikomfi air mattresses can be fully inflated or deflated in seconds. No air pump or blowing, no slow leakage. They're compact, lightweight, and easy to carry and offer dry and secure storage. They're ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Forget heavy airbeds, slow-filling air mattresses, and bulky foam mats. The Kwikomfi air mattress is the ultimate in relaxation. The Kwikomfi airbed can be fully inflated in seconds without any air pump or blowing. The ergonomic design offers maximum comfort with extra waterproof and secure storage. There's no slow leakage to ruin your sleep. It is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry and store, ideal for an office nap, home use, and outdoor use. The Kwikomfi products are not only extremely quick to inflate, but also deflate in seconds. Kwikomfi products are compact, lightweight, and extremely easy to pack, carry, and store. The Kwikomfi products are protected by worldwide patents, designs, and other intellectual property rights. Join us to share all these unique products and technologies. Talk with one of our exclusive distributors, agents, or partners in your country or region.